Hey, I'm Alex, and today you are learning how to make rice with garbanzo lima style. What you need is rice, olive oil, or garlic clove, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of hot water, and garbanzo and a Goya Sazon. First, let's clean our rice. First, we add our rice in a bowl, put some water, and you can see that our rice water is cloudy. And we don't want that. That means it's not clean. So we're going to pour it out until the water comes out as clean, not murky. We know the rice is clean. And pour it out for the last time, and boom, clean rice. Now with our clean rice, we're going to put it in our rice cooker, put in the hot water, put in the garlic clove, put in a bit of olive oil, put in the salt, and mix it around. Let's prepare to make our garbanzos. To clean a garbanzo is literally the same way to clean rice, so there's nothing too different from it. I'm sorry that didn't tell you earlier when you needed the ingredients, but for to season the garbanzo, you want to cut a half of an onion and cut it to smaller pieces, and another garlic clove to grate it. After we do that, we need a tiny spoonful of panca pepper and yellow hot pepper, a bit of salt, and garlic powder with olive oil, garbanzo. Now, our final steps to season our garbanzo. Grab a pan and put at low medium heat and put in the olive oil. Pour in the onion and don't pour in the grated garlic until the onion's golden. After that, move it around. Then a few more seconds, put the panca and the yellow pepper in it and then move all of them around. And after that, put salt and the garlic powder and pour water and move it around. Second to last thing to do is pour in the Goya and move it. Last thing to do is to put the garbanzo in and move it around. And all for the garbanzos. We have to move everything around. assuming you got all that down, you are done basically. You've learned a new recipe, and maybe, depending on how you did it, you've cooked something delicious. That's all for this video. That's all what I wanted to teach you today. I hope your food did end out well, and I hope you want to see me in the future. And if you want to check out my last video, I'm going to teach you how to do Spanish fried egg. And that's all for today. See you later.